Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Google Alerts for Wiki Cat, Peniwallet and other ecosystem products. This means you'll be notified whenever these words come up within Google, website, blog, when a video is posted or maybe even a social media post. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So to set up Google Alerts, you need to head up to your browser and go to www.google.com/alerts and click go. Now you can begin to create alerts for Wiki Cat, Peniwallet and SMC DAO. So to do that, we click on this search icon right here and type Peniwallet. So let's click on create alert. So once you've done that, the next step is for us to click on this pencil icon right here. So let's make some adjustments. How often do you want those alerts? So let's click here. As it happens, at most once a day or at most once a week. So let's click on as it happens. Sources, let's click on news, blogs, web, video, books, discussions, finance. So next is for us to click on language, and I know our preferred language is English. Region, any region is fine. How many? Only the best results, all results. So let's click on all results. Where do you want those alerts to be delivered to? So this is my email right here. I want it to be delivered to this particular email. So after that, we click on update alert, this blue option right here. So we've created an alert for Peniwallet. So let's create an alert for SMC DAO. SMC DAO. So let's click create alert. Let's click on the pencil icon right here. How often? As it happens. Sources, blogs, news, web, video, books, discussions, finance. Language, our preferred language is English. Region, any region is fine. How many? All results. Where do you want those alerts to be delivered to? Like I mentioned, my email is right here. That's where I want the alerts to be delivered to. So the next step is for us to click on update alert. So in the final one, let's click on Wiki Cat coin. Let's create an alert for Wiki Cat coin. Wiki Cats. Wiki Cats. Sorry, I mistakenly logged out. Wiki Cats. So let's click on create alerts. Then let's click on this pencil icon right here. How often? As it happens. Sources, all this. So news, blogs, web. So language, our preferred language is English. Region, any region is fine. How many? All results delivered to. My email is right here. So let's click on update alert. So guys, so once any post or a video or a blog post about anything about Wiki Cat, Peniwallet or SMC DAO, you'll be notified. How will you be notified? You'll be sent an email, guys. So that's it. So but before you do that, make sure you go to google.com.alert to make sure your email address is logged in on your phone, okay? Because that's the way you'll receive the alerts through your email. If your email is not on your phone, you wouldn't be able to set up Google Alerts. So that's it on how to set up Google Alerts. And then the next step is for us to click on this setting option icon right here. So let's click on delivery time. When do you want this alerts to be delivered? So you could choose your preferred time. For me, I would click 7 a.m. is fine by me. And then digest. Do you want those alerts to be in a single email? So at most once a day, at most once a week, at most once a day is fine. Deliver to. My email is there already, just like I mentioned. So after all this, let's click on save. So guys, this is it on how to create alerts for Wiki Cat, Peniwallet, and other ecosystem products. Okay, thank you for watching. Feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye.